Dear educators, thank you for joining section number 4, Test Creators. And in this video, we are going to explore WordWall, the easy way to create your own teaching resources. So WordWall can be used to create both interactive and printable activities, and most of these templates are available in both an interactive and in printable version. Interactives are played on any web-enabled device like a computer, tablet, phone, or interactive whiteboard, and they can be played individually by students or be teach-led with students taking turns at the front of the class. If you talk about printables, they can be printed out directly or downloaded as a PDF file, and they can be used as a companion to the interactive or the standalone activities. So these activities are created using a template system, and these templates include familiar classics like quiz and crossword, and you can also find style games like maze chase and airplane, and there are classroom management tools such as seating plan. To make a new activity, you can start by selecting your template first and then enter your content. It's easy and means you can create a fully interactive activity in only couple of minutes of your time. Once you created an activity, you can switch it to a different template with single click, and this saves your time and is great for differentiation and reinforcement. For example, if you create a match activity based on names of shapes, you could turn it into a crossword with exactly the same shape names. In the same way, you can turn your resource into a quiz or a word search and many more possibilities too. So we will start with exploring this resource page by page and step by step. So the first step will be home, or the first page, of course, and here you can find the information like general information about WordWall and a nice resource which shows how many resources have been created during this moment, like at this moment. You can easily see this instruction. So first of all, you need to pick a template, then you need to enter your content, and finally you can print your activity or play on the screen. And if you would like find out more about these templates, you can also use this information. You can also see how many different templates are available here. And it doesn't matter where you start. You can start with matching up, but at the start of the activity, you can choose another one and continue with the open box, with anagram, with matching pairs, or anything else. So the next page, the next step is called features. And in this page, you can find answers to questions if you have any, like, for example, what is interactives and what is printables, how to create using templates, what is switching template, how to edit any activity, how to choose themes and options for this activity, student assignments, sharing with teachers, and embedding on a website. So many different topics which might be useful for you before you start your work on the WordWall. The community page, the communities tab, is a great way of search for public activities. So all you have to do is just type the name of the topic or just keywords. For example, we are looking for the topic which will be connected with animals, and you will see more than 10,000 results for these activities, which is connected with the word animals. If you would like to specify the topic, you can add more keywords. So we will just choose the first one, and I will show how it works. So first of all, when you use this ready-made template, you can see that it was made as matching pairs, but at the beginning, you can switch template. You can choose random wheel, you can use random cars, anagram, or other activities, and as well, you can choose different printables versions. How to share this activity with your students? Of course, just using the button share. After that, you will see the link, or you can share it using different resources, different options. For example, if you have your open Google Class, you can share this activity there. You can use QR code, or you just simply can copy the link and share with the student. So we will start with matching pairs, but after that, I will show also how to choose and switch templates. You press start and you can see timer over here and the activity, which is called matching pairs. Yes, so you will see pictures, you will see names, and the task is to find pairs. Right now, we're not going to do all these activities yet, but simply you can see how it works. If you would like to switch template, you can do it during the activity, but the activity will start from the beginning. For example, I would like to choose random wheel. So I've just switched the template and I press again start. And here I can see a random wheel with not repeated words or things or pictures. If I would like to choose random cards, it's up to me. It's up to you, of course. It's the activity will start from the beginning, and the same with anagram. So just put and press start and use this activity with your students. The next page we are going to explore is called My Activities. So this is their page where you will have the collection of your personal activities. You can create different folders and share them, or you can also create private quizzes and share them only with a particular group of students. So it's again up to you. How to create this activity? Here you can find the blue button, which is called Create Activity. So you just need to press. If you are searching for like something special, like some special template, you can enter name or description, but it's actually easy to choose from this list. Here we can see interactives and most popular, but there are also pro templates. If you would like to upgrade your profile, it's up to you. You can do it anytime. It's an easier way to start with the first one, activity matchup. So you just press, you name your activity. If you would like to add instruction, so you have special place for this instruction. And after that, you will start the creation of your activity. So you need to put some keywords, maybe definitions. You can add pictures and use definitions. You can swap columns. You can delete, you can copy, and you can also add a new item anytime. So minimum, you need to create 3 items, 3 questions or 3 steps, and maximum you have the number of 30. So after you are done, you just press the button done and you can share your activities. You will see this test in the category My Activities, and it's up to you to decide whether this activity will be private or public. And if it's public, you will find this activity and other teachers, educators will find this activity in the community category. If it is private, so it will stay in your personal library. So that's it. Nothing special, nothing difficult. I hope you will enjoy this resource and you will be able to use this during your lessons. Thank you for your attention and enjoy.